All right, we're going to now learn about Erthos. We've got Nuha with us here at the York Region booth at Collision Conference 2024. How's your show going for you?
It's amazing. We just presented, so we're feeling energized.
Yeah, awesome. Who did you present to? And tell us what you were talking about throughout that.
Yeah, so we were at Center Stage today, and we were one of the featured startups to talk about just our progress and our journey and the future of our company.
How exciting.
Yeah, it's very exciting.
So please tell us, and those watching at home or on their mobile device, what Erthos is all about.
Yes, so Erthos is a biomaterials company, and we harness AI and material science to reimagine plastics. So plastics are, of course, a massive problem, and our goal is to redesign plastics with bio-based ingredients that are actually better for the planet and better for our industry.
Is this something that the world as a whole we're lagging behind, or do you have a new process or a less expensive process in order to have more biodegradable plastics?
Yeah, so when we look at the market today, only 0.5% of the entire plastics market is bio-based. And so we know that there's still a lot of gaps that exist, especially when it comes to performance and price. And I know everyone thinks about the soggy paper straw. They're just not functional products. And so our goal is to really accelerate the adoption of these materials through innovative material technology and chemistry.
What would you say is the biggest challenge to Erthos right now?
We're on a global scale trying to address this challenge, and I think that as an emerging tech company, it's really important for us to build the right partnerships. And so a lot of it is just changing mindsets and bringing people along with us for this journey, because it's a long one and it's a really important one.
No doubt. Where are you along this journey at this point? Is it more in the R&D phase, design, or are you have a fully working product?
Yeah, so we've already invented our materials, and now we're focusing on adoption in new markets. So we just closed our Series A last year. We've raised over $11 million from venture funding, and now we're getting ready for the next stage.
Congratulations. Can I ask you what your connection is to York Region?
Yes, so the York Region has been super supportive of our journey. We've been able to be a part of the Tree Frog Accelerator based in the York Region, and partnerships like these are just so essential for us in our growth.
Speaking of growth, finally, what's next for you? And what are you looking to get out of Collision Conference, if you could be specific?
Yeah, we're here to connect with the entrepreneurship ecosystem. We're looking for strategic partners who can help us with our growth. We're now just accelerating the access to our technology across different markets, so Collision being a great hub for tech entrepreneurs and founders from all other parts of the world to help us with this.
Awesome. And then finally, Nuha, what's the best website for our viewers to check out?
You can check us out on planeterthos.com.
planeterthos.com, just as it sounds.
Yes, Planet Erthos, but ERTHOS. Yeah.
I got it. Like OS, operating system, I was thinking.
Yes, exactly.
Awesome. Have a great rest of your show. It's been a pleasure chatting with you.
Thank you.